May June 2023. Variant is 3 3. First question of this paper is of logarithm. Solve the equation. Question first. Solve the equation log x plus 5 is equal to 5 plus log x. Give your answer correct to 3 decimal places. This is a simple question. Log x plus 5 is equal to 5 plus log x. We take this log x, this term on the right hand side will move in the left hand side. Log terms will be collected. We can write log x plus 5 minus log x is equal to 5. Now on the left hand side we will use log property. Since two logs are subtracting, so subtraction will be converted into division. So we can write it as log x plus 5 over x is equal to 5. Here ln natural log base e, but will be it will be hidden, not be written here. Log. Now taking anti-log we get e power 5 is equal to x plus 5 over x. Then ln will be removed. E power 5 is equal to x plus 5 over x. Cross multiplying, we get x e power 5 is equal to x plus 5. Collecting the x terms, x e5 is minus x is equal to 5. Taking x common, e5 minus 1 is equal to 5. From here, x will be 5 over e power 5 minus 1. Using a calculator, we get x is equal to 0.034 correct to, this is the value of x correct to 3 decimal places. This is the answer.